Put them on here. Come on. Hurry, hurry. Hurry. He's going to see us. What is it?
What?
Oh, the cop? Ooh. And whose house are they at? Okay. Well.
Very cool.
Very cool, Grandpa, she says. Okay, come on, hurry. Hurry. Okay, come on, hurry. Hurry, hand them to me. I'll put them on there. Quick, quick. Quick. Hand them to me. Come on, some more. Quick.
Here's the whole thing.
No, little one.
We're going to make it more like this for my mommy.
Ah, shoot.
What you doing there, Grandpa?
Here. Yeah. Hold it. Yeah, put it on there.
No, I'm in this.
Come on, you can eat another one. Put that one on there. Alright, shh. Grandpa doesn't see anything. Go ahead. Do you think we fooled him?
Yeah.
Nothing's going on, Grandpa. I'm not doing nothing. What are you doing?
In cookie dough?
You love cookie dough? Tell me how much you love it. Say, I love it. I love cookie dough.
I love cookie dough.
Look at me and tell me.
I love cookie dough.
Show it to me. And tell me, I love cookie dough.
I love cookie dough.
Eat it.